naturally. That sounds like it should be a commercial, right? Yeah. Anyways, yo, so long story short, I used to be a product junkie back in the day, and I thought I got over that, but Friday brought out the product junkie in me again, and I spent a little way too much money. I'm actually missing one box from TGIN. It did get delivered, but I put the wrong shipping address, and so yeah, I might record and have a different outfit on. It's just because it's currently not here. But I shop from Mielle, Design Essentials, and TGIN. And what I love about this Black Friday sale this year was a lot of these hair companies came through. Like, they had 50% off plus free shipping. I believe Design Essentials had 30% off and free shipping. Everything at Mielle was about, I think, $4.99, literally every single item. And then TGIN, I believe had 40% off. And then the Main Choice also had a crazy sale, but unfortunately I missed it and didn't buy anything, which I'm glad, because I think that this is about $500 worth of products here. And so yeah, let's get into it. We have this huge box from Mielle Organics. And first of all, can we address this packaging? I absolutely love it. My favorite color is pink, if you didn't know. And so this just screams my name. And this is how a lot of the hair companies really get me, the packaging. And this is the packaging for me. And don't worry, yeah, Auntie Rona has been disinfected from this box. And so yeah, I feel comfortable with putting this on my lap. But let's get into it. I just love cutting the box open. It is the best feeling ever. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It smells amazing. This is so cute. I don't know if you guys can see what it looks like inside the box, but this is super cute. Okay, Mielle, come through. So like I said, I believe I spent about $150 or maybe $200 here. I'm not sure, but everything was literally $4.99. So I got like maybe 20 products for like $100, which is a steal and a bargain. They had this little cute notebook thingy. Oh my gosh, I think this is so cute. I love this. Pom-poms. This is super cute. Okay, let's get into the products because I know that's why you're here. So I bought this Mielle Rice Water Clay Mask, and just a disclaimer, I have used a product from Mielle before, but all these products in here I've never used, and so if you want me to record a review, let me know in the comment section below. But this is a rice water clay mask. I've never used a clay mask before, so I'm interested in seeing how this will work on my 4C hair. This smells like raspberry something. It smells good, but this is what we have here. We also have a honey and ginger styling gel. I'm not sure what I'm gonna use this for as yet, but I bought it. Don't need it. Half of these stuff, y'all, I really don't need them. I just bought it just to buy. This is Mielle Moisture Hawaiian Ginger Butter or something. I don't know. This also is a leave-in conditioner. Who doesn't love a great leave-in conditioner? It has honey in it. It claims that it's moisturized. It's a moisturizing curl primer and detangler for thick, curly type 4 hair. So let's pray this works for me. This is a curl smoothie. I've never used this as well. And y'all, I find that I just buy things sometimes off of impulse. Like, you have a good name, good packaging, cute packaging, I'd be like, oh my gosh, I need that, and I really don't need it. I just buy it because you sold it really well with the name, right? Curl smoothie, like, just hearing that, you feel like you need a smoothie for your hair. So yeah, this is a curl smoothie. I don't know what it does. I'm not familiar with it, but we'll figure it out later on. This is a growth oil. It has rosemary and mint. I love peppermint, and so I'm excited to use this. Hopefully this makes me grow 10 inches of hair in a week. This also is a leave or a deep treatment. I've heard great reviews about this, so this should be fun using. This is exfoliating shampoo. Can somebody tell me in the comment section below if y'all know what is an exfoliating shampoo? I've never heard of that in my life. It has mogongo oil, so yeah, it's allegedly supposed to do something. It's a coil sculpting custard, prime and define. I don't know what this does. I'm just trying to get these products out and show to you guys because it's a whole lot. I think I'm gonna speed up some of these clips. This is a twist and souffle. This is an edge gel, although I really don't use edge control like that. But yeah, it has honey and ginger in it. This is another clay mask. My cousin bought some stuff, so this is hers. This is a hydrating conditioner. I'm super excited for this one. I have dry hair. If you watch my recent video, you would know that anything that has hydration is a go for me. This is a coil sculpting custard. Let's see what this does for the curls, for the girls. This is a Mogongo Palmetto Oil Treatment. It's a hair dress and it helps to moisturize your scalp, condition hair, and eliminate frizz. Ooh, sounds fun, doesn't it? We have this leave-in conditioner. I've also heard great reviews about this, so I will be the judge and let you know my honest reviews on this. This is a rice water hydrating shampoo. So I've heard great things about rice water. I haven't hopped on the bandwagon just yet because I'm scared to put that in my hair. I'm a very safe natural. I don't be mixing all those concoctions like everyone else does. And so, yeah, we'll see how that works. This is a curl cream. It has babasu oil in it, I believe. This is almond oil. It has mint in it as well. We love oils. We love oils. This is another growth oil. So again, 20 inches of hair this time around. And last but not the least, another curl smoothie. And I also have a rice water moisturizing milk. So yay, 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 yay. I really hope they gave me everything I bought. I have to check my receipt. But yeah, this is what it is for Mielle. We have, it's from Design Essentials. It's not as pretty as the Mielle Organics box, but if you watch my staples video, then you would know that I absolutely love their hair products. This is what it looks inside. Very bland. It's not cute and girly, but that's okay. I'm grateful that they put the receipt in here. And so at Design Essentials, I spent, the cost isn't on here. Okay, that's interesting. But the number of products I bought is on here. So we have lots of good stuff here. We have shampoos, we have leave-in conditioners, we have twisting foams, we have a bunch of stuff. I don't even know where to start from. Let's start from this. It's a box within a box. Within this box, we have an almond and avocado twist and setting lotion. Never used it before, but I'm really interested in seeing how this would play out with my twist outs. I got 4 of these. It was on sale. I had to cop them up. They had good reviews. And this conditioner, oh my God, it's a rosemary and mint conditioner, y'all. This will have your hair, I don't even know why I didn't add it to my staples videos, but this right here will literally, okay, first, I love the tingling sensation it has in your scalp. Like, I don't know, I know some people really don't like that minty feel, but I like it, and this literally does just that. And it's actually very super hydrating and super conditioning, and it has lots of good stuff, lots of good properties. It's really good for dry or thick hair, it says, and yeah, it just sucks because you go through this like in 2 washes. So I got 2 of them. Super excited for that. And then They also have this wrapped up in bubble foam. This is a Herbal complex scalp treatment. So it's kind of like a grease, but not really. It has lots of good oils and stuff. It smells really good. That promotes hair growth. And so, yeah, I'm gonna be trying this out too. Listen, we're trying to have a waist length hair next year. And so these products, I need them to come through. This is a Honeycream Moisturizer Shampoo. Again, if you're on this channel, you know I love hydration and moisturizing shampoos. This is a Honeycurl foaming custard. It's gonna curl and foam up my curls. I believe I just got 2 of those, or 4 of those actually. Yeah, I stocked it up. I've never used them, but I really trust the reviews, and so hopefully they work as expected. And this is a set, so it has a shampoo, leave-in conditioner, and regular conditioner. And it's from, I'm not sure what line it's from. The Almond and Avocado. I've used the shampoo, so I know that the leave-in conditioner and regular conditioner is going to work great on this, or on my hair. Struggling, dang. They said I'm not going nowhere. Okay. Hopefully I don't break a nail trying to open this. Okay. Woo. Here we have it. This is what they look like. So it has a cute dispenser. That's nice. It's not cuter than my Mielle though, but hopefully it works better or just as well. And so I got 4 loads of that. Yeah, they're so cute. They gave a 50% off coupon, which I appreciate. Mielle, I spent a lot of money. They gave me a coupon. We have to talk. And so I'm sure that this, oh, let me hide it. Don't want anybody using it. But yeah, a 50% off coupon code, which I appreciate. So I mentioned earlier that I was still missing a box of products. My stuff from TGIN are finally here. I just kind of wanted to show you guys what I got. It comes with a collections manual, and so it talks about all the different collections and basically what they do and how to use it, and I think that this is brilliant. They also gave a coupon code for 20% off. I'm not gonna show it. I got the Moisture Rich Sulfur Free Shampoo. If you watch my Staples haul, you know I use this all the time. It's a faithful staple in my collection. I also got the Buttercream Daily Moisturizer. It has shea butter, vitamin E in it. Does a whole bunch of stuff. It's almost 11 p.m. I don't feel like reading. Please forgive me. What else did I get? Oh, I also got their Honey Miracle Hair Mask. It has raw honey and olive oil in it, and we know that honey is good for hydration, and olive oil has a lot of good properties as well. And so yeah, these are the stuff I got. I just got maybe doubles and triples of everything. Like the shampoo, I stocked up. I got 3 because you know I don't want to run out. It was a really good sale. The buttercreams, I believe I got 3 as well, and the Honey Miracle Mask, I believe I got 3 or 4 as well. So this should last me all year. Thinking of doing a giveaway. We will see how I'm feeling. And yeah, that brings me to the conclusion of our haul. I hope this inspired you to not be a product junkie like I am. You really don't need all these products to grow thick, long hair, guys. This is just me going back to my old ways. Trust me, if you stick to one conditioner, shampoo, oil, butter, whatever, your hair will be just fine. Please don't fall into the YouTube ways of buying and trying all these things. You really don't have to in order to achieve healthy hair. I'm just doing this to see what works and what doesn't work out there. And so yeah, hope you guys really enjoyed and appreciate this video. If you want to see other videos, let me know in the comment section below. Share this with your aunties, uncles, everybody, okay? Love you guys. Bye-bye.